मोगाल इश्टंदो सोजमोतां तुमी सगळीं बरीं आसात म्हणून. कांय दीस फाटीं कोरोना व्हायरसाचेर आमी थोडीशी शिटकावणी दवरलेली. परत आमचे स्विंडनांत केसी वाडत वता म्हणून स्विंडन बरो कावन्सील हाणें म्हजे लागीं आनीक फावटी मागलें तुमचे लागीं ही शिटकावणी धरूंक. Dear friends, today I want to introduce to you Swindon Borough Council Director of Public Health, Steve Marden, who will share some very important message on how to be safe from coronavirus. मोगाल इश्टंदो स्टीव मार्डन हो स्विंडन बरो कावन्सील हाचो पब्लीक हेल्थ डायरेक्टर आमचे लागीं कोरोना व्हायरसाचेर उलयतलो कोण भाशेन आमी सेफ रावंक जाय ताची शिटकावणी आमी मानून घेवची आनी बरी भाशेन आयकुची. मागता सगळे लागीं ही शिटकावणी पाळूंक आनी बरी भाशेन रावंक. Stay safe. God bless.
Hi there, my name's Steve Madden. I'm the Director of Public Health at Swindon Borough Council, and I just want to give you some top tips on how to protect yourself, family, friends and your broader community. So if you have symptoms of coronavirus or COVID, which could be a high temperature, a new persistent cough, or a loss in the sense of smell or taste, it's really important that you stay home. It's important that you self-isolate and book yourself for testing, either through the testing portal online or through the NHS 119 telephone number. If you test positive for COVID, you need to stay at home for 10 days, but other people in your household, be that family members or friends, need to self-isolate also for 14 days. It's really important you don't let people into your house during that time, but it's also important that you don't leave the house during that time, so not to go to work, to go shopping, or to visit family or friends. During that time, if you need help or support to gain access to food or medicines, we ask you to rely on family and friends to be able to bring those items to your door. If you don't have access to those items, then please call Swindon Borough Council Customer Services, who will be able to provide you support. The telephone number is 01793 445500. During the time that you're at home, it's really important that you keep distance from other people. Make sure that you keep up your house cleanliness, so make sure that you're cleaning all your hard surfaces, door handles, etc. September is a time for children returning to school, and you should already been briefed by your school about what you need to do to get your child or children ready to return. If anyone in your household has current symptoms of COVID, then your child shouldn't be going to school because they should be self-isolating. Similarly, if your child is unwell, do not send them to school, self-isolate them and book them for testing, either through the NHS portal or by calling NHS 119. It's important that you inform the school if your child is unwell and to keep them self-isolated until you get the results of that test. Negative test result means that you'll be able to send your child back to school. So a quick word on social gathering. We appreciate that summer is a time for wanting to gather with family and friends. It's really an opportunity to just remind you, you need to keep those gatherings small. You shouldn't be gathering with more than 2 households. We encourage you not to meet inside. If you're meeting outside, then try to make sure you ensure that 2 meters social distance. As of this weekend, we have new enforcement fines coming into place. So those individuals or groups that are seen as breaching the current COVID guidelines in regard to group gatherings can face a fine of up to £10,000. If you require any further information or advice regarding COVID, then you can WhatsApp the government information line. Simply send a message saying hi to 078 600 64422.